I'm 13 years old, and I have been dependent on glasses since I was about 5 or 6. I have negative 4.5, and I haven't actually been wearing my glasses for 3 weeks straight now. I used to be just totally dependent on it. I couldn't even like go to sleep or like I take out my contacts and I immediately put on my glasses. So now I'm really happy that I'm doing that, and also I've gotten to a point where yesterday I actually went to Six Flags or like Six Flags, and
Amusement
I
park.
I wore I didn't even wear my glasses. I just wore my pinhole glasses. So it's great, yeah. And at this point, it just feels normal to have no glasses on. Honestly, when I go to bed, it kind of feels like I have to take out my contacts still, because
Hmm.
it's just so weird to not wear my glasses at all. But yeah.
Well, my success is when we started, I was doing I with the three lines on the eye chart. I was 20 20 inches away, and 2 days ago I checked it again and I'm 32 inches. So I've done a whole foot distance. Woohoo! And I've been having some really wonderful success right after sunning. I can really see so many contrasts and textures and colors. It's really lovely. So yay! Thank you so much. This has been, I mean, you obviously heard from my daughter earlier, Spark. It's been so exciting how our changes have. And I have not been wearing my glasses except for when I had to go driving. But I've been asking my husband to do most of the driving so that I can just not wear my glasses. And it's just been an amazing process. So I really just thank you so much for putting this course on and having this available to all of us.